Is really crying badly with Davido for this their song wey they just lost. So who kill this joy for their body, my people? This their reconcile, I dey see the way that they happy, they rejoice. Who kill this joy for their body? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling, my correct people, this video today now about Davido and Chioma, my people. This bad news, this sad news, like when I see Chioma crying, like the thing, it really touched me. Like you know what it takes to lose your own son. The pain way pass that one, I know they this word. The pain way pass that one, know they this word, my people. Like I'm just like, I'm speechless right now. I don't even know what to say again. You understand, my people? I beg. They want use this media to advise our people. More than not, they carry on our song goes to me pool again. Even my sister, when they carry his song go me pool that day, I say, if you go drink water, now God say the question. You understand? God say the question. So I beg. This swimming pool don't make so many children. It don't make so many children. Now there the batch picking for go too. Many we would all see for social media. Now this same thing. Now they concern my people. May we stop to the carry our children. They go to be poor. But we stop them. Because people feel go poor and journal. Ask me grow real so to even go swim they add me. I know they go. I dey fear water way. I dey fear. This one is very sad, like God, very, and this boy just do his birthday. He just do his birthday, God. And no one can just pay me pass. This will not be the first time where they carry and go there. Because as two of them just reconcile, so now I know say pain go full many of his side chick be all those one wey don first born for him too. Many jealousy go full their body. Because all of them, because they use body, they find her back. But you see, choose Chioma. This one, it as in a very sad news, like, it did very painful. They just come back for Benin that day. They were so happy. Like, I just see the way two of them, they play ever since. I was so happy for them. Which kind bad news? Which kind devil can just carry their son so? Which kind devil can do this kind thing to them? Only God know how Chioma go fit take this thing. Only God now just know. The only son in the house right now just go. Papa no forgive himself, You no go forgive himself, oh. God, why? We not go fit ask you why, God, though. We not go fit ask you. Now hospital, then they say forgive up. They say not give up immediately. Now hospital they come to say you drink water. Now they forgive up. You don't give up immediately for the swimming pool. Now hospital they forgive up, my people. Hospital. This one a lesson to many of our mothers, our fathers. When all the carry on our children go swim again. When I remember one when first thing happened with the boy they inside swimming pool. He dey inside swimming pool. You don't know say and nobody did there to even help him. It just only one just did there. And so the boy just take me. One lady again, they swim again. He put her for live video. All of us they watch him for live video. The next thing, he just enter inside again, don't come out again. He don't come out again. That's so people begin the write RIP for the comment section. He don't come out again. That's so that one just take go. Talkless of small pikin say one teacher amount to swim. Not a bad thing before. Oyibo people they carry their children. That small baby they carry and go swimming pool. That make all of them they know how to swim well. Then they quit teach them. Yeah, it's not a bad thing before. But devil, Nigeria wish them. They know they ever they eat better wish. So bad wish now that they eat for their life. Who know? Rather than there, they go plan way for Davido. Say, if you just carry a pikin go there, you go just meme. You go just meme. May God just give Chioma the heart to fit a bear this lost. It did very like I said when it be what happened to me, God. I say God forbid bad thing. My son just when I just move and just they play, you just wake up for bed, you want to go meet your papa. The next day I dey hear about the shout. Say if they give our son they give up. I say and so we take call ambulance, rush am. I know the pain that day, the cry, the kind tears, wey hot tears wey come out from my eye that day. The about 6 ambulance that come that day. Supposing we not quick see Amoko. Talk less of say person just lost a young son with a koro eye like this. The kind pain, the cry, the pain. God. No. Only God, when if you never experience that kind of thing, like when you see your son want give up for your hand like this. Now you go they say, now you don't go understand what Chioma go they feel right now. Chioma go they feel like, God, who do this thing to Chioma? Who do this thing to Chioma? Except saying I'm just natural death. If not be natural death, when will you go see for body? Now you go worse past Chioma. Now you go worse past Chioma. Just carry his son come out. He just celebrated 3 years birthday that day. 3 years birthday. Just go just like that. God, what? I don't even ask you why, God. This thing is really painful. Like very, very painful. Very, very painful for somebody to just lost his son. Very, very painful, my people. Very, very painful, Only God just know what the Chioma gonna feel right now. God, very, very sad news. Very, very sad news, my people. Only God just know what the Chioma what they feel right now. For you to just lost his son just like that. 3 years birthday, like this boy just do that day. 3 years birthday. He just go just like that. Supposed to Davido, if I don't carry and go swimming pool. If I don't carry and go swimming pool at all. It's so painful, like I don't feel myself again. It's so painful. So painful. May God just give her the heart to bear the loss. May God give her the heart to bear the lost. May so rest in perfect peace.